Elliot White here for Grand Caynon Gas Logs. Today we're going to go over proper ember placement on a Grand Caynon Gas Logs burner system. The key to setting up any Grand Caynon Gas Logs burner system is proper ember placement. Embers should be placed all the way across the front burner, covering all the burner ports so that nothing is visible after ember placement. The most effective way to spread out the embers is with a stiff bristle brush and a handful of embers. Remember, the smaller the surface area of the ember, the better the glow. So we're just going to create a pile. Once the pile is created, we're going to spread the embers across the front of the burner. To effectively spread out the front flame, make sure that your embers completely cover the front burner. Once the embers have been placed, go ahead and put lava rock all the way across the hearth of the fireplace.